I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm very excited to open this machine, my first espresso machine. I heard if you are a coffee lover, you're gonna end up loving this and you save money. Because right now, every week, I always have to refill my Starbucks card, $20 a week, and sometimes more than that. So if you have this, I heard you save a lot of money. But before you buy, you always make sure you check good deals. And Target, they always have good deals. So lucky me. The regular price for this one is $262. I checked it at Macy's and other stores. They have it same price, like $252 and all, but I only got this one for $209. And I heard sometimes it's even go lower than that. But because I can't wait, $209 is, I think, worth it, rather than I have to wait for the next few holidays, and you never know when they're going to drop it down. But anyway, this is the latest one. It's a limited edition, and the color is a matte black color. So let's start opening. Okay, so as you can see, this brand is an Nespresso Vertuo Next and with espresso tree. I wish I have this one, but well, eventually I'll have them all. Okay, let's start. Wow, there's no tape. There you go. There's the manual. I don't know what's the use of this one, but we'll see. But I already have an idea how to what is the use of this. I guess this is where you have to place your coffee mug. Okay. Ooh, there's a box here. It comes with espresso capsules. Comes with they call it capsules. I'm so used to saying K-cups, by the way, because we have a Keurig, and my husband still don't want to let that go. But we'll see. Okay, so this is there's about 11 capsules of 11 capsules of rose and ground coffee. Okay, this must be good. Next, okay. Ooh, this is the espresso tree. So this is where you have to heat up or cold up your milk. Okay. Then the main machine. Ouch. There you go. It's the main machine. Oh, it even comes with a coupon. $10 coupon. Yay. That's something, I always do that. I always look for good deals. Okay, so let me just put this away. I don't want to make a mess. Can't wait to try this. And this is the main machine. Ooh, I love it. I love the color. See that? There you go. It's a matte finish and a golden the brand. Okay, so this is where you have to place the water, and okay, well, I like it. It's not that big. I know it belongs here. See, you can adjust it like that. Okay, let's so there's a plug here, and for this one, so this is the Arosino tree right there. Comes with a lid. There you go. And a manual. Okay. Okay, there you go. All set. And next is I'm just gonna try it, make coffee, and let you know how's my first experience on this one.